Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know how to get more clients for your cleaning business. Well, watch on, because I have experience training thousands of UK business owners just like you to grow their business. Now, while you're here, before we get into the content, do me a couple of things. One, smash the like button. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And you're going to want to subscribe to this page, guys. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. That will tell you about all the new content. I release new content every weekday, Monday to Friday, and this content will help you get finance in your business, and it will help you get leads and sales and marketing strategies that work today. Now, let's talk about marketing a cleaning business, and where do most people get it wrong, right? Now, where most businesses get it wrong is they just go on Facebook groups, they go to their local shop, and they just advertise the product or service, right? And so they might put an advert out saying cleaner, £15 an hour. Now, that can work, and you will get some clients from that. But let's be honest, if you're watching the video like this, you want to really properly grow your business and get people that will pay you £20, £25 an hour, because there are people that will pay that because they want quality. And so in order for that to happen, you need to go and take the customers through my 5-step process, right? And if you think about this, if there are cleaners out there that are charging £50 an hour, and if you can do that, or even maybe if you can get your price from £15 up to 30, that's going to double your business, and all of that extra income is profit. Even if we only get you so you can put your price up by £5 an hour, that's all profit, guys. That's total back-end profit for your business. And so what you need to be known as is the expert in your niche, right? And so you need to produce content that demonstrates that talks about cleaning tips and strategies and how to hire a cleaner. The content could be about how to find a good cleaner that's trustworthy and reliable, because that's actually an objection that a buyer like me, I have a cleaner that we have, right? We have objections like, is the cleaner going to turn up every week? Because I've been let down in the past, right? And so that's the first step, is to put content and value out there, not selling anything, right? Tips for them to hire a cleaner. And obviously, because you're the person that's demonstrated those tips, they're going to think of you first, right? Of course they are. And then you need to capture some leads, right? And so maybe you capture some leads with a voucher of some sort that they need to opt in for. And when they opt in, they're going to give you their name and email address. And that means that you can follow up with them afterwards. Maybe even put a phone number that they need to put in as well. And because you can then follow up with them, maybe they don't buy from you straight away, but over time, you can build that relationship with them, and that will allow you to grow more business. So that's the second step, and that's to capture some leads. And I think giving a voucher is probably the best option for a cleaning company. Next, you need to convert them, right? So you need an online automated system where they can book into your diary without calling you and book an appointment, right? So even if they're looking at your website at 6 in the morning before you wake up, they can schedule an appointment on their terms. You'll obviously get your diary set up, and I can show you how to do all this. But you'll obviously get your diary set up, and by having that, then they can book appointments with you when's good for them, and you can block out in your diary times that you can't do, right? Maybe you've got a school run, or maybe you have other clients on those days. So you could just block out stuff that you can't do, right? And then on that appointment, you're going to sell them your cleaning services. And that's your core offer, right? So you're going to sell your core offer at that point. And then all that matters is that you have other products and services that you can sell them. So maybe you offer a carpet cleaning service, or maybe you partner with a landscaper and offer landscape services, and you get a commission off any services that they buy. You need to have all these additional products and services, a product ecosystem. We call that a product ladder. And actually on our Business Accelerator program, we help you get that stuff figured out, because right now, it's all new to you, right? We're just telling you this is what you need to do, but we can show you on the Business Accelerator exactly how you can do that too, right? Which is crazy. And so that's the 5 steps. You need to get content that positions you as an expert, then you capture some leads, Then you offer an appointment to book them in to become a customer. Then you offer your core offer on that appointment. Then when you're a client and they're a client of yours, you need to have additional products and services that you can sell to those people to get extra sales into your business. Then, when you have this system working, you can then start looking at traffic, right? And so you want to know how to get clients, and you were probably thinking before this video, yeah, I want to learn YouTube ads, or I want to learn Facebook ads, or I want to learn AdWords. That actually isn't the case. You need to get this system, this methodology set up first. This is the way that you get customers, and then it doesn't matter. Maybe you can pay someone to do some Facebook ads or some Google ads or whatever, or learn it yourself. But if you haven't got the system first, then it's not going to work, right? It's not going to work. And so I want to give you more details on this system and how to do it. And so how we can get that working is I've actually got a book called Expert Mastery, and that lays out these 5 steps in a step-by-step process, exactly what you need to do to grow your cleaning business. And so the book has been read by thousands of entrepreneurs just like you now, and I want to give you a free copy of it, a real book. So in the description of this video is a link, and if you click on the link, you can go and grab yourself a copy of Expert Mastery. It's nothing to you. All it will cost is the shipping. The book is free. And so it's a couple of pounds. It's a couple of pounds, but it will really serve you. And if you didn't do it already, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and hit that like button on this video. Comment below. Let me know what you thought. Anything you have, any questions, I'll come back to every single comment on this channel and support you guys to grow your business. I'm James Nicholson. Go and grab my book. Smash that like button. Subscribe. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.